the consumables tonight. Some nice wine and a adequately sized chocolate bar. This thing is absolutely huge. But yeah, what better thing to keep the mood up while I review these? Because yeah, kids aged 6 to 12 want to play with bloody cardboard. Wow. Let's move these out of the way. I shall refrain from eating anymore due to consumption noises and weight gain. But yes, well, let's start with the story, I suppose. I went into Tesco's and saw mystery bags with the normal mystery box, kind of, you know, the box which has the opening at the bottom. I went, oh my god, I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, there's actually mystery models. And then realised that the one that was already made was made out of cardboard. It had like a little display. I took a video, I'll put the video in now. Everyone else gets mystery models, we get literal cardboard. Mystery cardboard. And to my disgrace, yeah, cardboard. Great. But actually, I thought, why not? Let's actually take a look and we'll sit down and try build one and see if it's how long it would take. But I didn't have a look at the packet, and I've bought a couple, and now I've looked at the packet, and yeah, so apparently they're pullback, which is, it sparked my curiosity. It's track compatible because you would want to do that apparently. I mean, I feel like you put this down the track once and it would disintegrate. And apparently find the rare gold car, because yeah, they've managed to make one. They've painted one with gold. Woo, gold cardboard. As you can tell, I'm not going to care less whether I get the gold or not, basically. Right, let's open one up, I suppose, and we'll build it. Well, it's obviously not a rare gold one. Ah, okay, no, we haven't actually. That's cool, we're keeping it a secret. Some wheels. I'm assuming the pullback bit is one whole thing. And whee! That was amusing. So let's have a look at the poster. Oh well, it's not even a nice looking one. Alright, we've got number 2, obviously, or number 9, or number 13. So there are 5 gold cars you can get. See, some look alright. Number 1's alright. Number 3, nice van. I can't remember what that's called. Oh, damn it. Yeah, I wouldn't mind of the van or the muscle car. They would have been quite nice. Or even the hot rod. Or even the gold variations would be very nice. But to be honest, this is probably the one I least wanted. If it looks at the colours, it's going to be that one. Wow. This doesn't look very fun. I think it said the build time on it as well. Oh, it's Series 1, if anyone cares. Find the rare gold cars. I wish I had the money to, or the patience. 10-minute build time. Hooray! That means this video is going to be 10 minutes, because that gets me monetized. Oh wait, no, I don't get money. Oh, I can't be bothered. No, I need to be more enthusiastic, because then people will want to watch these videos. Do you know what? Should we just see what's in the other one first? Because I might be a bit more enthusiastic if we get a cool one. Will it be gold? No, it won't. Oh, well, we're building this one then. Like, it's not even a different colour. Man, come on. Like, I'm going to have to go buy another one now. I wanted to buy 2 just to experience a slight difference, but no, I bought 2 the same. Oh dear. I'm pretty sure there wasn't any way of actually there was no like numbers in any codes that I could see. There was a code down here, but there's no difference in any of the ones I picked up. Although I think I mean, if I compared these two, then joke's on me because they're the same one. Right, let's look at the instructions. 1. Are these actually numbered? Right, there's 1. Let's try and get this out without breaking it. Yes, join me while I build some cardboard into the shape of a Hot Wheels car. I'm surprised they don't sell these at IKEA. Flat pack Hot Wheels. Quite thick, maybe semi-plasticky, but I should be timing myself. What is the time now? Wow. And it's done that. So yes, number 4 will always be shown. Well, there we go. There's a nice mess on the desk now. That's going to be there forever. There it is. There is your bit of cardboard Hot Wheels. Front wheels are to be desired, I think, there. Does it pull back and work? Yes. Super fast. I wonder how long this would actually last, especially on track before it... I mean, it already looks a bit crooked. It really doesn't look... It This is my life as a Hot Wheels car summed up, I think. So, yeah. Let's have a look at the time, although I can't ever seem to get the time to come up. It's 2:08, so I have spent 18 minutes trying to build this instead. Yeah. So, clearly, I'm not as smart as most 6 to 12-year-olds, as it does clearly state on the top. Or maybe that's how many years it takes to eat it. I'm not sure. Or digest the horrible plasticky cardboard. But there we are, Hot Wheels mini maker kits. Find the rare gold car, because we need an incentive to people to actually buy these things. So I might double check the code, see if there's anything else to find out, if there's any numbers. Or maybe just if there's a different code, I'll just avoid buying this code. Because that's really annoying that I've got 2. Really annoying. And they're really bad ones as well, in my opinion anyway. Yeah, these are £3 each. So for what you get, that is a complete fucking rip-off. There's no other way of saying that, to be honest with you. I don't know. I honestly don't know what to say about them. I wish I could be more positive, but it's kind of cool if you are into making little kits like this, but I don't see many kids being into this these days, especially with how fiddly it is. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cool, but I would just rather we had the actual mystery models. Well, I hope there was some enjoyment to get out of this video. Sorry for being a bit more on the downside, but I don't know. What were you expecting when we started off on such a low note? I mean, I don't know why they bother. But there we are. Hopefully someday we'll get some mystery models in stores, but I'm not going to count on that. But I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have somehow, please be sure to leave a like down below, and of course comment what you think on my lovely creation. I think I put the base the wrong way around as well, because you can see the numbers. I'm pretty sure that's the wrong way around, so that's probably going to trigger some people. Also, I've not clipped the front in properly. It's not worth trying, is it? It doesn't want to. I'm not... Oh, there we go. That makes all the difference. It looks so much better now. Well, until next time, enjoy your Hot Wheels made of metal, not plasticky cardboard.